YouTube family, welcome back to another pickups video where I give you all of my favorites and pickups from the previous month. So since we're in August, I'm gonna show you everything from July. And we going top to bottom just like an outfit, starting with accessories, going down to clothing, and then ending with shoes. And at the very end, I got some real life updates for those of y'all who wanna stick around. So grab a snack, kick back, and let's get into it. Starting with the accessories, first up I want to show you these hats from an independent brand called WWC Studios. Now these appear to be your basic LA trucker hats until you look closely at the mesh on the back and you see the Gucci or Louis Vuitton monogram, which I think is a perfect touch. And if you want to check these out, I'll put their Instagram down below. Then there's my new fitted hat collection, which I started maybe 2 weeks ago. I stumbled across one of these at a Foot Locker. It was on sale, and after trying it on, I don't know, it just kind of felt right. So you're definitely gonna see a lot more of these on me for the fall winter season especially, and they're on discount online as well, so I'll make sure to link them down below for you. And then we have my COS tote bag. I've really been looking for a lighter colored bag that I can carry my laptop in when I'm not working at home, and this is very subtle, yet it has a lot of compartments and zippers and places to put stuff on the inside, which is exactly what I need. And then next we have a couple pair of shades from our video sponsor Boohoo Man. Now these round ones are something you'd expect from me already. It's a safe bet for my face shape, and this other pair I wasn't really actually sure about, but I decided to challenge myself. But they honestly look good, especially for them being less than $10, instant cop. Now moving on to clothing, I got 5 summer shirts also from Boohoo Man. Now y'all know I had to get this Cowboy Bebop one. It's in my top 5 anime of all time. The shirt is super lightweight, it's like a linen material, and the print also comes off super subtle, which is a plus for me. Now this one is a perfect alternative to my boxy Prada shirt. You got that metal hardware, that crop boxy fit, and it's made of very stretchy, comfortable material. And this embroidered shirt feels like something you'd wear for a date night or to a dinner. The black is subtle, but the embroidery gives it a lot of character. Now this pink one is a huge departure from my usual subtle colors and subtle tones, but it's summertime. I want to push myself out of my comfort zone, and this is gonna do exactly that. And for this green one, my favorite detail is the tape on the sleeves. It kind of elevates the shirt in my opinion and makes it stand out from a basic Cuban collar. And the last thing I got from Boohoo was this relaxed black denim. It has kind of a vintage fade to it. It's high quality, thick, and as you can see, the inseam is long enough for my super long legs. As you guys know, I'm a 34-35 inseam, and I got this from their tall section, and even with the cuff, it is still hitting the floor, and they'll cover my shoes perfectly. Next thing I want to talk to you about has been highly requested. It is my textured tank tops. These have been a staple in my style for the whole spring summer season. I put the link down below for you so you know exactly where to find them, but they're a perfect undergarment with a lot of character. And then we got my lightweight Cuban collar Naragis. As you can see, these are kimono style shirts that are made of lightweight pinstripe linen. They come in brown, green, and black, so I'll link them down below for you if you want to check them out. But I did get mine cropped at the tailor, so keep that in mind. And speaking of cropped, I got these 2 lightweight jackets from COS. They're both from the women's section, but they hit my short torso perfectly, and luckily since I live in California, I can still wear these to dinner because we have cooler nights, so it works out perfectly. But 2 things I absolutely cannot wear until the fall winter season are these 2 cardigans from an independent brand called No Maintenance. They're both made of soft mohair, they have a slight crop to them, and they're extremely soft and warm. But one thing that I have been wearing from this brand is this boxy, silky button-up. I love the chain stitch detail on the back especially, and if you want to check out this brand, I'll leave their Instagram down below. And moving on to footwear, I have stumbled across the ultimate Fear of God loafer alternative by Mark Fisher. I've already done a full unboxing and side-by-side review on my TikTok and my Instagram, so if you want to check it out, it'll be right there. I gave my tan ones to my brother since I already have an identical pair from Fear of God, but the charcoal gray I'm still wearing. They're very comfortable, but I do suggest you go a whole size to a half size down. Now the only other 2 pair of shoes I got are these Fear of God Nikes, and they've both been worn once, but not by me. Actually by my models for the shoot that I just had 2 days ago, and that leads me into the life update at the very end. So here we are. I had my first photo shoot for DevanOnDeck, which is my creative studio. As you know, we're working on this release for this one piece that I want to put out, but for each model I had to make custom looks, like 3 custom looks per model. The point is, I did my first photo shoot, man. Very, very proud of myself for making that happen. Very proud of the team, very grateful for all the people that helped me out, and for the first time I was on set not as talent, because you guys know I've been in GQ before. And usually, like, you know, I come on as like talent for maybe an hour, 3 hours, and then I'm bounced. But now this time I was there from beginning to end, right? Because this is my project. So I'm sitting there like directing things. We got a full lighting team and, you know, DPs on set and photographers, cinematographer, a behind the scenes videographer and photo dude. I can show you a few behind the scenes photos right now, but most of the things you're gonna see, a lot more in-depth things, a breakdown of the concept, the inspiration for the whole thing is gonna be on the Discord, okay? If you don't have Discord, download it, join our server. There's a lot of great talking there. People are sharing their outfits. We're having discussions about music, about fitness. It's just like a family affair, similar to how we do here on YouTube. But then also, I give you behind the scenes stuff that no one else sees on any social media. I don't post it anywhere. It's all on the Discord. So you should definitely check it out. I'll link that down below for you as well. So yeah, that is the full life update. If you made it this far, make sure to leave it in the comments so I can like your comment. I really appreciate you being a real one and watching the whole video. And yeah, I see y'all on the next one. Peace.